Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming 4 bed, 4.5 bath house for sale. It is nestled on 0.38 acre of land and is located in the cool Forest Hill area of Red Hills. It is also just minutes away from the hustle of city life, but still tucked away to enjoy the peace and the tranquility of the hills. The upper floor gives access to a rooftop terrace and consists of a master bedroom with a walk-in closet, balcony, and bathroom with a jacuzzi. The ground floor has a bedroom with bathroom ensuite, two other bedrooms, and a shared bathroom, kitchen areas, one that has been recently upgraded with wall and floor mounted cupboards and quartz countertop. The other can be reconverted to a second kitchen. There is also dining area, large living area and family room, study, powder room, helper's quarters with bathroom, foyer, back veranda, and a partially enclosed large garage area. The property is also just a few minutes up Red Hills, making all amenities within Constant Spring, Manor Park, and Halfway Tree easily accessible. Call to arrange viewing or to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.